Hi Chantel, it's Don again. Wanted to give you a couple more tips. So I got your website up here and a little tool that I got here. So when I put your website in this tool, it's saying, so your title tag. Here's what your title tag looks like when someone finds you on Google. So, and I actually pull it up here when I do a Google search, Kenosha Beauty and Wellness Center. Bam, you're number 2. And then, so that's what it says, beauty and wellness, home. However, I would recommend that this, your name is here, your website is here, but your title should be like Kenosha Spa, Kenosha Massage. Those are the big money keywords in Kenosha. Hundreds and hundreds of people are searching that per month, but they're not finding your website. And not very many people are searching beauty and wellness in Kenosha. So I would recommend, getting the big money keywords. So on your title, that's in Wix, if you're using Wix. And then your meta description is right here. So welcome to the new Beauty and Wellness Center site. I would get the money keywords in here too. So that's why it's saying there's no meta description or it's too short. You can have it very much longer. And then header tags. These should be the money keywords. Again, Kenosha Spa, Kenosha Massage, Kenosha Nail Salon. That's what people are searching. Probably 1,000 people per month. And you're nowhere to be found at your website. So what that means is, so a header tag should be right here, Kenosha Spa, and then some content about that, and then Kenosha Massage, and then some content about that. And so those are just some tips and tricks. Google will know exactly who you are, what you do, and they'll put you in front of the eyes of people with money in hand that are searching those keywords. So I hope that helps. I do this for a living. I have money back guarantees, 60 days, 90 days, whatever, no contracts. If you want to just try me out, I can take your website to the next level and people will be blowing it up. I only work with one client in that niche, so you would be my only client in the massage and beauty and in that niche. So let me know if you need my help. And otherwise, I hope these tips help you, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.